Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'll be sharing this introduction session for Autodesk Navisworks Manage 2025. In this sharing, we will learn the basic concept and workflows of Navisworks Manage, which is one of the most widely used BIM coordinations and project review software in the construction industry. Navisworks Manage is mainly used for model review, clash detection, coordination, 4D simulations, and project visualization. By the end of this session, you will have a clearer understanding of what Navisworks is, the different types of Navisworks software, and Navisworks source files, native file formats such as NWC, NWF, and NWD, and the basis coordination workflow used in BIM project. What is Navisworks Manage? Navisworks Manage is a BIM project review and coordination software. It is used to combine models from different disciplines into one federated model. For example, architecture, structural, MEP, and civil models can all be brought together into one environment for coordinations and review. Navisworks helps project teams review the design more effectively, detect clashes between different systems, and also the simulate construction sequence using 4D workflow. Finally, it can check quantities for project analysis. Because of this, Navisworks play an important role in improving coordinations and reducing construction issues before and during site execution. In simple words, Navisworks Manage is mainly used for model review, clash detections, coordinations, and project visualizations in BIM project. So, how many software does Navisworks have? Navisworks has three main software products. The first one is Navisworks Manage, which is the most powerful versions and commonly used by the BIM coordinators and project teams. It includes clash detection, 4D simulations, 5D quantifications, animations, and coordination features. So means that Navisworks Manage, it comprises and accessible for all the features if you buy this software. So how about the second one, Navisworks Simulate? This version is mainly used for model review, 4D simulations, animations, and quantity checking. However, it does not include full clash detection like Navisworks Manage. What is the last one? The third one is Navisworks Freedom. It's a free viewer version. You can install as free to your laptop. No need to buy a license. It mainly used to open and review NWD file. So this software is mainly used by the project engineer, then the project site team to just review the model by the use of this Freedom software. So let me explain in the very easiest way. Navisworks Simulate and Navisworks Manage are very similar software. Both can perform model review, 4D simulations, animations, walkthrough, and quantification. However, the main difference is that Navisworks Manage include clutch detaching features, while Navisworks Simulate does not. Because of this, Navisworks Manage is mainly used for beam coordinations and clutch detaching workflows. Now, let's understand what Navisworks Sub-File are. In Navisworks, we can open the model created from different software like CAD or BIM applications, such as Revit, Sabre 3D, AutoCAD, then the IFC, and many others software. These original files are called Navisworks source files. Instead of working separately in different software, Navisworks allows us to combine all these models together into one single federated model. This gives the project team a complete workflow and also the whole project view. For example, architecture, structure, MEP, and your civil model can all be brought together into that platform to the Navisworks for review and coordination. By doing this, all the project team members can explore the model in real time, review the design more clearly, improve coordinations, and identify issues before construction starts. So, in simple words, Navisworks source files are the original project model that we combine together in Navisworks for better project review and coordinations. What are the list of those source files? Navisworks supports many file formats from different CAD, BIM, and laser scanning software applications. Some common formats include Revit files, AutoCAD files, IFC files, DGM files, FBAs, point clouds, and Navisworks native formats such as NWC and NWD. Because Navisworks can support many file types, and it becomes very useful for BIM coordinations and whole project review. Teams from different disciplines can bring their model together into one federated model for coordinations, review, and simulations. How many native file formats does Navisworks have? Navisworks has 3 native file formats: NWC, NWD, and NWF. NWC is mainly used to bring models into the Navisworks. NWF is the main working coordination file used for clutch detaching and model coordinations. NWD is the final published file used for sharing, review, and presentation purposes. So, how is their correlations? Now let's understand the basic Navisworks workflow from example Revit to NWC, NWD, and finally NWD. How is their workflow from the Revit software to the Navisworks? First, your BIM model is created in the Revit. This can be an architecture, structural, or MEP, or maybe a civil model. After that, modeling work is complete. The Revit model is exported into the NWC format. You can choose enter the option. Then after that, export to NWC format from your Revit software, the authoring tools. Then NWC stands for Navisworks cache file. The NWC file is then imported or appended into Navisworks. At this stage, multiple discipline models can be combined together into one federated model for coordinations and review. After combining the model, let's say for BIM coordinator, usually save the working coordination file as a NWF file. NWF stands for Navisworks file sets. Actually, the Navisworks file does not store full geometry directly. Instead, it links and manages multiple NWC files together. This file is mainly used for clutch detection, coordinations, and project workflow review process. Finally, once the coordination process is complete, the model can be published into NWD file. NWD stands for Navisworks document file. The Navisworks document file is mainly used for external sharing, presentations, walkthrough, and client review purposes. So, in simple words, NWC brings your model from your authoring tools into the Navisworks. NWF coordinate the models together, and NWD share the final review the model. So we must always remember, to get the NWC file, you need to export from your Revit model to as an NWC format. Then after that, you import to the Navisworks software. Okay, before I end this session, let's do a quick recap of what we have learned today. We discussed what Autodesk Navisworks Manage is, the types of Navisworks software, Navisworks source files, native file formats such as NWC, NWF, and NWD. Also, the basic workflow from Revit to Navisworks coordinations and final sharing. I hope this session gives you a clearer and easier understanding of how Navisworks works in BIM coordination projects. Thank you very much for watching and supporting my channel, Explore with Jasmine. See you again in the next learning sessions. Thank you.